Thank you so much Guruji for this statue give me. Thank you so much. Last time also give Guruji a lot the gift things. Also thank you so much. I'm so proud. Thank you so much Guruji.
Hello dear all, this is my home. Then that is my school. So everybody people coming here. Then I keep the now inside the Dorje Shugden statue. Then everybody coming in. Then doing the free puja. Om Benja Om Benja Biki Pitana Swaha Om Benja Biki Pitana Swaha Om Benja Biki Pitana Swaha Om Benja Biki Bitana Swaha Om Benja Biki Bitana Swaha. This is my school. Then this is main the teacher. Last time also my teacher. So then this is also all the teacher here school the madam. Then this is all a student. So everybody now the supporting Dorje Shugden. So here Guru want to try something to Guruji say. Okay. भन्न सक्नुहुन्छ गुरुजीलाई के मन पर्छ हैन हजुरलाई गुरुजीको फिल यो गुरुजीले हजुरलाई यो गिफ्ट दिँदा कस्तो फिल भयो हजुरलाई हैन हजुरले भन्न सक्नुहुन्छ उहाँ गुरुलाई
Thank you so much sir for this gift and personally want say thank you and we all are all school unit say thank you and your child also my school student thank you so much sir. I am headmaster Kechara.
Thank you, Guruji. Then, all like the Dorje Shugden people, children also. Everybody very happy. गुरुजीलाई के भन्नुहुन्छ? थ्याङ्क यू भन्नु छ? मैले चाहिँ अब यो मन्त्र भन्छु तपाईहरुलाई, तपाईहरुले एकै स्वरले भन्नु ल। ओम बेन्जा विकी बितना सोहा। ओम बेन्जा विकी बितना सोहा। Ini sangat nanu. Om Benja Wiki Pitana Soha. Om Benja Wiki Pitana Soha. Okay, thank you everybody. You are welcome, Manuna.
Welcome.